time objective, or RTO, refers to the amount of time a business needs to restore its operations to an acceptable level following a disaster to prevent prolonged business disruptions and significant data loss. RTO plays a vital role in disaster recovery strategies as it provides a clear target to strive for, based on a business's specific circumstances. While short RTO times are ideal for every system, some systems are more critical. It's essential to work with your client to prioritize which systems handle mission-critical data and which systems can afford more extended downtime without much adverse effect. For example, a network supporting high-frequency securities trades for a hedge fund could lose the company tens of thousands of dollars for every second it's offline. However, the HR systems for that company could stay down much longer without hurting the organization's primary business. It's important for MSPs to use recovery time objective as a first step in calculating the optimal backup and BCDR plan to ensure business continuity and minimize overall operational disruptions and business risk. Here are a few things to consider when calculating maximum RTO for your clients. The cost per hour of any outages and projected loss of revenue. Having a dedicated disaster recovery budget or an understanding of the cost allows your organization to move faster towards normal business operations than competitors while saving valuable time and resources doing after-the-fact disaster recovery planning. How your clients or customers may be affected. Customers are the core evangelists of your organization, its products and services. Failure to provide services can drastically damage the reputation, livelihood, and future of your business. The impact of a disaster on wider infrastructure, or if dependencies exist. A disaster may not just affect your business infrastructure. Partners and other applications used by outside organizations may also be dependent on your datasets and hosted applications. The organizational budget and any resources that may be needed during the disaster. Your organization's preparedness and response to disasters needs to be financially feasible. This necessitates thinking ahead and planning to ensure that when a disaster strikes, financial resources are available and waiting to be used to get back to serving your customers. The priority or level of importance an application or system has within the organization. Being able to prioritize and dedicate resources to mission-critical applications and data puts you ahead of the disaster recovery process. Mission-critical data and applications may have a much higher priority than data that is infrequently backed up or even used entirely. Setting predefined RTO targets is crucial for effective disaster recovery planning. Your MSP can ensure seamless data restoration by understanding client needs and aligning backup strategies accordingly. To learn more about how data protection solutions from ConnectWise empower MSPs with comprehensive business continuity and disaster recovery tools, contact us or visit our website at connectwise.com.